this is what we'll need. 2 mangoes, mango powder, and all-purpose cream.
So this is what we will be using. A mixer and a popsicle holder. A guard. First step is to cut the mangoes and crush them.
Next step, we mix it with all-purpose cream.
Next step, we sprinkle some mango powder.
Now I'm gonna mix it.
Now we're gonna pour it into the popsicle holder.
Now let's cover it.
Now we're gonna put it in the freezer and we'll check it out tomorrow.
A few moments later.
After 12 hours, our popsicles are ready. Okay, let's take one out.
Might fall.
Just smash that like button and always remember, fly high and stay strong. Ice cream!